मेरे बहुत सॉलिड प्लान्स हैं। मैंने एक नई चप्पल खरीदी है। मैं जाऊंगा, क्लिफ पे बैठूंगा और जितने कपल्स वहाँ पे आएंगे उनको खींच खींच के मारूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे लाइफ से अभी वो रोमांचक पना जा चुका है। मेरी शादी हो गई है।
हाँ। अच्छा, तो एक बात बताओ, इससे पहले आप वैलेंटाइन कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते थे?
देखो, मैंने बोला चप्पल फेंक के मारूंगा, खानी नहीं मुझे, ये सब बताऊं मैं। No, so on a serious note, yeah, we're looking forward to this one. This is like the first ever married Valentine's Day. So,
ओह, दैट इज न्यूज़।
तू डरा मत यार।
आई एम स्टिल थिंकिंग कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए। आई हैव अ फ्यू आइडियाज़ जो मैंने ऑफकोर्स शेयर नहीं किए हैं। आई वॉन्ट टू सरप्राइज हिम।
बताना।
नहीं, अभी इतना बता दिया ना, ये भी बड़ी बात है। मैं आई हैव अ फ्यू प्लान्स इन माई हेड। या बस
So yeah, basically we'll be playing surprise.
आई विल डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग। आई अग्री विद दैट एक्चुअली। वन डे वैलेंटाइन और बाकी दिन क्या करना है बॉस? आई वांट टू सेलिब्रेट इट एवरी डे।
Yeah.
And he
I think
is good at it actually because he surprises a lot. Okay, so every day is new with him. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि वैलेंटाइन आया तो कुछ स्पेशल है, बस उसको स्पेशल बनाने के लिए अब मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, ऐसा है।
Right. And I feel, yeah, I think every day is, we don't need a day to acknowledge love, but yeah, having a special day, it's just like, celebrate, we need a reason to celebrate, so why not Valentine's Day? Mas. It's been fabulous. For me, it has been great. For her, I don't know, because it's a torture. She
It's
says
been fantastic.
she says she's adopted. Like, she doesn't
Yeah.
feel like she's got married. She says she feels that she's adopted me, and it's like a whole task taking care every morning when I wake up. And if she wakes up before me and she's like, "Ud gaya," now the trouble begins. So yeah, it has been a roller coaster ride. Every day has been a new learning experience, because all these years of our lives, we have never been used to the whole idea of anybody else intruding into your space, into your
Really?
room, and suddenly we have this one. And bathroom, we have to share.
We've been talking about it कि अगर next if we plan something or we redo
we
the
are
room,
planning to
two
expand the
bathrooms.
house, 2 different bathrooms, 2 different everything, so that we have our own space. She consumes 3 hours in the bathroom, so I'm like,
Oh, exaggeration. अरे same. I just want to add something. मनीष ने, मतलब I say that sometimes कि मनीष ने शादी इसीलिए की वो जो husband jokes है ना वो मार सके इस वजह
yeah,
से।
I know, I want to look like a victim.
I am a victim.
मैं victim हूँ शादी का,
मैं अपना
बेचारा
करूँ।
पति, बेचारा पति टाइप।
Yeah.
जब से हुई है शादी टाइप से ना।
No, it's been fantastic. मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है. Of course, learning every day, learning something new, and not only in a relationship but also around me as a person I'm growing. And इसने मुझे कहा था कि welcome to the childhood. जब शादी हुई थी तब उसने कहा था you will have to become a child again. He is a child, he is a baby. So ये जो trouble ये बोलते थे ना, he actually behaves like a baby and he actually is a baby at चाइल्ड किड एट हार्ट। तो मुझे लगता है ये मेरा बचपना वापस आ रहा है। मेरी मम्मी बोलती है तू अब बातें करने लग गई है, पहले नहीं करती थी। सो आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, एविडेंट। द प्रॉब्लम इज नहीं छुपा सकते कुछ, जरूरी है।
Yeah, I think we are like a no filter couple. Honesty is the best thing, because if you know everything, there's nothing to hide. It's always better. Yeah, but there is this one little filter which is called respect. That is what we have, like from day one we've decided that no matter what, no disrespecting. That's like the most. So if your foundation is that strong, so it's fine. Right? I love the idea of living in a la la land, always flying, floating. But if there is a problem, come back to the ground, come back to the logics, do a reality check, and then fly again. So that's how it's been for us. Like every now and then we'll sit and with a pen and a paper, क्या गलत हो रहा है? And we sorted it.
Communication is very important. So and honesty तो मतलब I used to say कि honesty मेरी weakness बन गई है, because I used to be so honest. हर चीज़ मेरे मुंह से निकलनी है. So yeah. But communication very very important.
Okay. On this note, you can see that there are two flowers. It's there.
Yeah.
Okay. So I know there would be अपना टाइम जब आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे को प्रपोज किया होगा या दिल की बात जो भी बोली होगी.
हाँ.
अब अगर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
नहीं.
शादी को 7 महीना हो गया तो अब एक्चुअली रियलिटी क्या है उस हिसाब से अगर प्रपोज करना चाहेंगे.
रियलिटी के हिसाब से
हाँ
प्रपोज
रियलिटी के हिसाब से.
ओके ठीक है आई डू इट
नहीं,
फर्स्ट
क्या कुछ
I'll do it first.
अरे मैं डर गई.
You will see the reality of our lives right now.
ठीक है, you do it first.
Right? Okay, ready? On my knees, though she's down, but yeah. Okay. Sangeeta Chauhan, Raisinghani.
Yeah.
I love you.
ओई, ये reality है. ओई,
Such a
this is
beautiful reality.
That's the reality. That's the reality of this relationship.
Okay, that's actually
Your turn. I want to see what she does.
nothing.
No, you have to propose him in any way which you want. जो कभी शायद करना चाहते हैं बट कर नहीं पाए. बिकॉज लड़कियां उतना नहीं करती.
हाँ नहीं करती है ना.
But
राइट
it's
मैंने
okay.
सोचा भी नहीं इसके बारे में क्योंकि कभी ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं.
हाँ.
But it's
हाँ.
okay. It's
ये
not
मेरे
very-
proposals का कचरा करती है.
Yeah, it's not a very difficult thing.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Should have done that. अभी इतना प्यार से acknowledge किया तो तूने.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'll do that for you.
yeah, do that.
That's a lot of hard work, huh?
Yeah, of course,
Proposing.
of course. अभी ऑर्डिनरी तो जाना ही पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah.
मनीष रायसिंघानी, husband of संगीता चौहान रायसिंघानी. याद दिला दे. I like to trouble him like this. इसकी ना दुख वाली बात याद दिलाती हूँ. I love you.
Yeah, love medicine,
Like
so it's okay.
honestly.
Yeah, this is like an open love.
I hate.
Thank you
what
so
does
much.
that mean by open love?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the reality.
Yeah, this is the
And it's a
reality.
very beautiful reality. So on this note, can we cut the cake?
We don't. Promises हम कभी बोलते ही नहीं है.
Anything, yeah, for lifetime. People are now for lifetime. So we promise, lifetime which you want to do. Manish is ready with the promise.
I'm ready with some
No.
nonsense.
ये सही है.
Yeah. Okay.
Anything, yeah. From your heart, which you want to promise to Sangeeta.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go on.
I have a simple one.
Yeah, I also have a simple one.
बोलो.
Okay, first is you.
No, first is you.
I'll do some nonsense, then you'll copy.
No, I won't copy you.
Okay,
I
chal.
have something.
Ready? Okay. So Sangeeta promises that.
I promise
You say, you
that
go.
I'll always be honest in any situation.
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice. On that note, I changed mine. I will not be mean to you. And I
नहीं
will
बोलो
say-
बोलो
I
चलेगा
will. I
चलेगा.
promise. Okay, I would say you're precious, and I'll always take care of you. Oi. Put.
And now we'll cut the cake, please.
Yes.
Any song which you want to sing, which you have sang for each other, ऐसा कुछ भी.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know.
Of course.
Yeah.
जब से हुई है शादी, आंसू बहा रहा हूँ, आफत गले पड़ी है,
Parents are also
वैलेंटाइन
sad.
मना रहा हूँ. Yay! Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you.
You need tissue?
No problem, no problem, no problem.
You said that you actually love coming, to Maharaja Bhog and having the dishes. तो कौन सी एक चीज़ है और या कौन सी एक फैसिलिटी है जो काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है आपको महाराजा भोग की?
सबसे पहले तो इनका ये जो चंदन शरबत है
हाँ.
ये मेरा फेवरेट है.
Okay.
दाल बाटी यहाँ की बहुत अच्छी है, बट आई लव जब समर सीजन में जो आमरस मिलता है ना, अगर गर्मियों में आने का मौका मिले तो नथिंग लाइक दैट।
So you're a daily customer from your.
काफ़ी बार आई हूँ, मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया आमरस।
अच्छा, okay.
भैया बेचारे सर्व करते करते थक जाते हैं और आमरस।
Right.
तो या सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है चंदन शरबत।
Right. What about you, Manish? Have you visited first time?
No, I've been
Acha.
here before. This is our one of the favoritist go-to place for thali because that's what they have. And like she said, this is like the best starter. Rather, she'd gone to Ajmer and we'd asked her to get this because it's so yummy out here. The chandan sharbat,
Right.
the dal bhati we've been waiting for. Like we wait for it. It's like a delicacy when we make, and it's served right here. So I think it's just fabulous, complete food
Right.
experience.
Okay, talking about food, is there one dish which Sangeeta cooks and you really love? Is there any dish?
जो जला के नहीं दे वो खा लेते
ऐसे सवाल
No, no,
तो यही जवाब
no.
मिलेगा।
No, she makes a No, she cooks really well. And what I really like that she makes is actually everything. What is that I don't like? वो ऐसा पूछना चाहिए था उल्टा। Which is that? Oh shit, she's giving me looks. Everything is fantastic. Whatever she makes.
नहीं
Okay. So what is my favorite? What is my favorite? What do you make?
आपको याद है कल क्या खाया था?
No, I don't remember what I ate yesterday. So basically everything, yeah.
Everything. Right.
Yeah.
So, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. And just tell us how is the food and how is the facility of Maharaja Bhog? Anything which you want to say.
It's fantastic, and I have been many times to Infinity One.
Acha, okay.
This year I have come for the first time,
Yeah.
and here so much of food we eat, so much of variety and we eat na, you feel tired of eating. So little variety you have, and the food is fantastic. Especially the dal bati also is very nice.
Right. What about you, sir? Anything?
Food is yummy.
Yeah. Okay. And one thing which you love, what Sangeeta cooks for you? Any ऐसे कुछ specialist? संगीता ने जो बनाया और आपको बहुत है. It can be a simple coffee to a lavish dinner. Anything.
Yes.
Yeah.
भिंडी की सब्जी
भिंडी की सब्जी.
कॉफी
अच्छा.
Yeah, she makes the best coffee ever.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And ma'am,
Yeah.
Sangeeta
Yeah,
क्या
she makes best coffee,
coffee.
cold and hot both.
Okay.
And the food, everything she makes very nice.
Okay. Good.
I'm learning from her.
Okay. What is the one thing which she makes the best? Everything.
Everything.
हाँ.
Like I love जब वो मम्मी जी को even if I'm making something,
हाँ.
उनके instructions के बाद भी
हाँ.
उनका हाथ लगेगा ना तो उसमें taste
अच्छा आ जाएगा. Yeah. It's like it's in the hands basically.
Yeah.
Okay. And on this note, we just want a thank you message from you people.
Maheshwari ji, thank you so much for this. Thank you for making our Valentine's special, rather not just for us, for my parents too. It was a lovely experience being here, and we look forward to coming here again and again.
थैंक यू सो मच आशीष महेश्वरी जी। ये हम पहली बार कोरोना के बाद में कहीं आके हमने साथ में एक लंच किया है, लाइक आवर फर्स्ट आउटिंग, एंड हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि सारे के सारे प्रोटोकॉल्स अच्छी तरह से फॉलो किए जा रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज सैनिटाइज्ड एंड वी फील सेफ। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस लवली एक्सपीरियंस।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.